to have because I have connections. And he just signed for his 6th season to pitch for us. He is the closer. He is Jim Ed Morton, and he lives right here in Charles County. Come on, Jim Ed! Oh, he said we're missing somebody. Oh, I remember. He's big. He's blue. He's 6 years old, like some of you. My friend Pinch. He's kind of shy, and he wants to make sure you guys really want him here. So Ron has a way to help us get him out of here. Ready, Ron?